Hello YouTube, it is TutorialBlogger13 here, showing you guys how to play the intro to Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd on the piano. Now it's a pretty basic, pretty simple part to play. It's just chords, and they're fairly easy chords. I hope you guys have a good time with this, because it's a really fun song to play. So first I'm going to play it out full speed for you guys, then I'm going to slow it down note by note for you guys. So this is what it just sounds like. And that is the introduction to Freebird on the piano. Now, it starts out with the right hand. I'll show you first. So it starts out on a D, G, and B. Then it moves down to a D, a F sharp, and an A. So you have and then from there you have a B, an E, and G. And then from there you go to a C, F, and A. And from there you go to a regular C chord, which is C, E, and G. So far you have and then the final chord that you're going to do is an A, a D, and an F sharp. So all together it'll be like this. Now let me show you what chords in the left hand correspond with the right. So when you're playing the D, G, B, you're going to be playing two Gs. Then next, when you move on to the D, F sharp, and A, you're going to move down to two F sharps. And then when you move down to the B, E, G, you're going to move down to an E. So right now you have the two Gs, then you have the two F sharps, and the two E's. And this is what it sounds like with the chords on the right. And then with the C, F, A, you're going to go to two Fs. So right now you have the two Gs, two F sharps, two E's, two Fs. And then after that you'll have two E's again, which will correspond with the C chord. end it, you're with the A, D, F sharp chord. You're going to play 2 Ds in the left hand. And so, right, you have 2 Ds, 2 F sharps, 2 E's, 2 F's, 2 E's, and 2 D's. And then you repeat that all over again. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you have any requests, leave that in the comments, and if you have any comments, leave that in the comments, obviously. And I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial.